Hello everyone, I am Mushtaq Hussain from Hyderabad, India. In this video, I am going to explore and demonstrate all the features available under the profile at top right. So here is my profile name, Mushtaq Hussain. Now let me explore and demonstrate what are the features available. So once you click onto your name, profile name, it will take you to your profile. So here is my profile which I shared with you. So maybe it might take 30 seconds to read. You can edit your profile. You can add your email address, country, city or town. Then you can see all your badges that you earned. So you can see all my 16 badges including profile badge. You can see all those badges on right hand side too. So these are the total badges I earned, and these are the badges which I earned for Moodle for Teachers. Then privacy and policies. So here you can see the data retention summary. If you look at the course details, you will find only 2 courses here, but if you click on to view more, you will find all the courses which you have enrolled for. So here you can see the list of all the courses I have enrolled. So this is what you can see. Then on your right you will see some miscellaneous like notes, my certificates, forum posts, forum discussions. These are the 2 things which I am going to discuss separately. Then we have reports. In reports we have browser sessions, grader overview, grade, then login activity. Now it will show you since how long you have been active on this website. Now I started using Moodle for Teachers since 1st April 2020. So it's been 65 days now. So this is what you can see in your profile page, and you can edit it. Then the second feature on this option is user and badge. Now let me explore what is there in user. Now you can see, you will see the details of user account, edit profile, preferred language. So if you want to change the language, maybe you can do that. Then forum preferences, editor preferences, course preferences, calendar preferences, security keys, message preferences, notification preferences, and linked logins. So this is how you can. So let me explore a couple of these options. For example, if you click on to preferred language, so right now we are using English. So if you want to change to some other language, you can do that, but I'm not going to change it. Then whenever you make any changes, you can click on to save changes. So I'm going to keep the same preferred language. So yeah, so I cancel it. Then repositories, you can manage your manage instances. Repositories is nothing but the content which you add to the Moodle course. Then portfolios and miscellaneous. Apart from this, you will find badges too. So manage badges preferences, and backpack setting. So let me show you manage badges. So here you can see all your badges. So if you want to download all these badges, you can download them, or if you want to download one by one, even you can do that. Apart from that, we have got one more option in badges, that is to display external badges you need to connect to backpack. So this is one more option where if you want to get other badges from other websites, so just click on to this option. Then it will ask you to write your email address here. Then after writing your email address, you can click on to connect to backpack. So this is how you can get your other badges from other courses too. Then again let me take you through backpack settings. So this is what we have discussed. Then again badges So this is what we have in users and badges. Then the next feature is messages. In messages, what you can do is you can send messages to your team. So right now we have 9 team members in team A of MM15. So maybe you can send messages to all of them, or if you want to send message in private to particular participant, you can do that. So this is how you can send the messages. Then we have got private files. So if you want to add any private file of yours, okay, in terms of any content or repository, so you can do that, and once you upload it, then you can click on to save changes. Then we have next option called forum posts. Now this option or this feature will show you all the posts you have posted so far. Now on every page you will find 5 posts. Now total there are 120 pages. So 120 pages by 5 posts, it becomes 640. So as of now I have posted 640 posts. So this is what you can see on forum post. Then we have got discussions feature. Now discussion is different from forum posts. Now in discussion, as a part of your activity or assignments, you need to upload some video tutorials or some assignments. So you will see all those videos, you will see all those assignments posted over here. So you can see 5 different discussions on each page. So total pages are 19. So 19 by 5 becomes 95. So as of now I have posted 95 discussions. Then our next feature is my grades. So you can check the grades for different courses which you have taken up so far. So for example, now I have completed this course called Live Online Virtual Engagement. So once you click on to this, you can look at your grades. Then you can go for course grades too. Okay, my grades and course grades. So since I have completed this course, so I will be able to see the course grades. So the difference between my grades and course grades are, so course grades is for particular course and my grades are for all the courses which you have taken up or completed. The next one is badges. Again we have discussed the same feature in preferences, where we have seen 2 sub features, that is user and badges. So again it is a same feature where you can see all your badges earned so far, and you can download them one by one, or you can download all the badges at a time. Then again same option where you can display external badges if you need. Then you can connect to Backpack. Just click on to this, then it will ask you to enter your email address. After entering email address, you can save it or submit it. This is what you can see in badges. Then this will help you to log out from this website. And if you have any concern, if you have any question, if you have any query, and if you want to reach our mentor or the facilitator, Dr. Nelly, you can write an email to her. So these are the features which are available under profile at the top right. I hope you like this video. Thank you.